I'm Chiara D'Anna, and it's my pleasure to guide you through theatre in the world, Commedia dell'Arte. This ISTA Encore course is your invitation to explore one of the most vibrant, playful and politically charged traditions in the history of theatre. I'll take you on a journey through the world of Commedia dell'Arte, from its historical roots and iconic stock characters to the masks, movement and improvisation that continue to inspire performers today. Whether you are a teacher, a student, or simply someone who loves theatre, you'll gain practical tools and creative insights to bring Commedia to life, on stage, in the classroom, or in your own devised work. Commedia dell'Arte is a celebration of physicality, satire, and ensemble storytelling, with a legacy that stretches from Renaissance Italy to modern comedy, devised theatre, and beyond. I look forward to welcoming you.